Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens. We're here to do some deals for the week of the 2nd through the 8th of October. And we've got some incredible deals. We've got some incredible register reward deals. We've got an amazing quadruple dip, possibly quadruple dip, just depending on how you do it, deal with Aveeno. And I did that deal on Sunday. I could not wait to do it. So I ran up on Sunday and did the deal really quick. But I'm showing you all of the details in today's video. Now, if you didn't see it, last week I posted a must-do deals video for this week. I'll link it up above here. I can't remember which side they pop up on, but I will link it up there for you to get some more ideas on other deals besides what I am doing today. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to use on your trip or to help you out in the store. But that's all, guys. Let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first thing we're going to do is the Aveeno deal that is all over social media and YouTube. And I did do this deal on Sunday, but I wanted to include it in today's video. So there is a Catalina promotion that I showed you guys last week that started today or on the 2nd, that when you spend $30, you will get back a $10 register reward that is separate from all of the Walgreens promotions. Then Dawn's Deals posted something about a $10 PayPal credit that you can do with this as well. If you spend $30, you'll get back a $10 credit, or if you spend $15, you'll get back a $5 credit. So we've got all kinds of things going on with this, and so we are going to be grabbing $30 worth of product. We're going to be using a paper spend booster with this as well. So we're going to start off by grabbing 2 things of the body wash. So we're going to grab 2 of the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Washes at $10.79. And none of the Aveeno items are marked in the spend 20, get back a $5 register reward for personal care items. So when I did this on Sunday, I was just hoping I would get it, but I didn't know if I would. Then I'm going to get the Aveeno lotion for $8.99. That's going to bring my total up to $30.57. We're going to use a printable coupon for the body wash and a printable coupon for the lotion. I got these several weeks back on coupons.com. You can also go to the website and get Aveeno coupons as well. I also have a $2 digital coupon for Aveeno body wash that I'm using in this transaction. So that's going to bring our total down to $24.57. If you didn't have any spend boosters, you could pay with Walgreens cash, because you can always pay with Walgreens cash when you're doing a register reward deal. So then what you're going to do is you're going to get back a $10 register reward. You're also going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you're going to get back $2 for each one of these items. Now, the Ibotta rebate only states that you cannot combine this deal with coupons at Walmart. Any other store, you can combine it with coupons. And we are not at Walmart today, so we can absolutely use coupons with the Ibotta rebates. So we're going to submit our receipt to get $6 back on Ibotta. Then we're going to submit our receipt to the PayPal credit promotion that Aveeno is doing as well. When you spend $30, you will get back $10. I will have that linked in the Google Doc. What you'll do is you'll fill it out, then you'll submit your receipt, and you should get back $10 almost instantly. Now, if this is included in the spend 20, get $5 in a store register reward, then I'll get back that $5 register reward as well, making this a $6.43 moneymaker. Now, since I did do this deal on Sunday, and I'm now putting the video together today on Tuesday, I will tell you that yes, I did get that $5 register reward, and I'm guessing it's because I got 2 body washes that equaled over $20, because when people are getting multiples of lotions, they're not getting the $5 register reward. And since I do have a paper booster of spend 40, get back $9 in Walgreens cash, I am going to add something to the Aveeno. I'm going to pick up the Vapo Cool Vicks cough drops. They're on a promotion for the whole month, actually, where you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 register reward. Now, the ones that are included in this are the ones that are for $5.99, but apparently the first one in this rung of cough drops was a $3.99 bag, and I didn't realize it because they look almost identical. So make sure that they're both the 45 count bags. So the 2 of these will equal out to $11.98. We have digital coupons available for these, but I am going to use 2 $1.50 insert coupons that come in the October P&G, and these coupons are actually good until the end of the month. So if you didn't do it this week, you can do this deal next week. So then that's going to take off $3. We're going to pay $8.98, but then we'll get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 for the both of them. So that is everything for that first transaction. Now we're going to fast forward till Tuesday, and we're going to start another transaction that is the Kimberly Clark promotion, where you spend $30, you get back a $10 register reward. And since this is also another register reward deal, you can pay with Walgreens cash. So we're going to start off with the Huggies wipes. I don't have any wipes in my stockpile, so I'm going to grab 2 of the big packages of wipes here. They're priced at $9.99 a piece, but if you look above the $9.99, it shows that they are 2 for $16. So grabbing 2 of them, it'll cost $16. Next, I'm going to grab some U by Kotex teen pads. I'm going to go over all of the coupons after I grab everything in this scenario. So I'm grabbing 2 of the teen pads at $6.79 a piece, but like the wipes, there's a little price above the regular price that says 2 for $10. So both wipes and both packages of pads will cost $26. I'm going to add in these tampons. They are $5.29, and since I'm only grabbing one of them, they'll be $5.29. So the total for the 5 products that I'm grabbing, don't mind the Clorox wipes there, I'll tell you about those in a second, will equal out to $31.29. I have a $2 off Huggies wipes digital coupon and a $3 off digital coupon for 1 box of U by Kotex pads. That's going to bring our total down to $26.29, but we'll get back a $10 register reward, making all 5 products $16.29. But I'm also going to be using a digital booster and a paper booster that will really lower the out-of-pocket of these items. Plus, I've got the money maker for the Aveeno to help cover the cost for this. So I think this is a really good deal if you don't want to purchase diapers. I don't really have a need for diapers, and I never know what size to buy, so I'm just going to go with wipes. So now we're going to pick up those Clorox wipes there. Those are normally $1. We're going to grab 2 of them, and they will cost $2. We're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks, and we're going to get back $4 because there are no size restrictions on that promotion. You can go ahead and submit it for these little guys. I'm also going to add in some St. Ives body wash. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and they're $3.99. So we're going to grab 2 one at $3.99 and one at $1.99. The 2 of them will cost $5.98. I don't have any coupons for those. You might be able to have a printable in some of your Unilever emails if you have one, but there's no insert coupons for these. You're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and get back $1.50 on each one of them. So you'll get back $3 for the 2, making it $2.98 for both bottles of body wash. Now that is everything that I am grabbing in this transaction. We're going to go out to the vehicle. We're going to look at all of the receipts. We're going to talk more in detail about the Aveeno deal so I can answer any questions that you may have. So let's go out to the vehicle and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and almost everything went beautifully. There was only one little issue, and I think that was the store's mistake, and I will tell you that when I get to that part of the transaction. So I did 2 transactions. One I did on Sunday with the Aveeno, and then one I did today. And I'm going to talk about the Aveeno deal a little bit more in detail. If you don't, or if you've already done the deal, or if you don't want to know all the ins and outs of that deal, then you could just skip ahead a little bit. But anyways, with the Aveeno deal, first I want to say that If you don't use any spend boosters and you do the Aveeno deal, you can use register rewards and you can use Walgreens cash to help lower your out-of-pocket. Absolutely. If you're using, say, a spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, you can use register rewards and you can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash. Because you're spending $30 worth, you can spend up to $10 in Walgreens cash as long as you don't go below the $20 mark. If you're putting it in with a bigger deal, you just have to follow the rules of that with any spend boosters that you have. Now, not everything in the Aveeno promotion, that is spend 30, get 10, the Catalina promotion, not everything is included in the spend 20, get 5 personal deal promotion. I just happened across this combination this way because of the prices of the lotion. So the lotion was $8.99. I didn't want to get 3 lotions. I'm like, okay, let's look at the body wash, and I ended up getting 2 body washes and 1 lotion, and that's how I got the spend 20, get 5. And that was just complete accident on how that happened. So not everything in that Aveeno promotion counts for the spend 20, get 5 Walgreens store promotion. So I wanted to get that out there first. So in this transaction, I got 2 Aveeno body washes, I got 1 Aveeno lotion, and then I got 2 Vicks cough drops. Now, the problem with this transaction was the Vicks cough drops. If you've seen in the store, they just had 1 row of the yellow Vicks cough drops. Some of them were 18 count, and some of them were 45 count. I just grabbed 2 at the same time. One was 18 count and one was 45 count. So I did not get the $5 register reward. I talked to the cashier and the manager and I said, look, this was up on the row here. They're mixed together, which they shouldn't be. And because I just grabbed 2 off of the, the peg there, thinking that they were both 45 count, I should have gotten the $5 register reward. So they credited me $5 in Walgreens cash for that, which I'm even more fine with that. But you know what I mean? Like, you have 1 row and no other pegs or anything like that for the yellow cough drops. You would think when you grab 2 of them, they're going to be the same size and not some smaller sizes mixed in there. You know what I mean? So anyways, that was the only issue I had today. So I didn't have a digital spend booster on this account. I already actually spent it. But anyways, I only had a paper spend booster because here's my receipt. I used 2 of those $6 register rewards that I earned the previous week. So on that register reward, it says you can only use it on P&G items, but in fact, you can use it on other things as well because they both come off in this transaction. So I don't count those in my total though. So I had 2 internet printable coupons for the Aveeno lotion and body wash. I had 2 $1.50 coupons from the October P&G for the Vicks cough drops, and then a $2 digital for the Aveeno as well. So then that brought my total down to $19.55, but I used $12 in register rewards, so my total for that transaction is $31.55. I got back $9 in Walgreens cash, as you can see right here. Then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash issued to me because of the Vicks, but you should get a $5 register reward for that. Then I got back a $5 register reward for the personal care. So that was because I got 2 body washes that were priced at $10.79 a piece. Then I got back the $10 Catalina coupon here, and that is for buying $30 worth of Aveeno products. Now, if you buy $29.99 worth of Aveeno, $29.99 worth of Aveeno, you will only get a $5 register reward. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $6 on Ibotta for the Aveeno body washes and lotions, but they were all daily moisturizing products, so I could get the Ibotta rebate. Then I submitted my receipt to the link that is down in the Google Doc. What that is it's basically a PayPal rebate. So you submit your receipt to this rebate and you will get back $10 on PayPal or Venmo, and it's instant. It's almost instantly you get this $10 back, which is incredible. But you have to spend $30 in Aveeno products. I submitted my receipt and I got it back right away. That makes the Aveeno and the Vicks Vapo Drop things free and a $13.45 moneymaker. That's unreal. That's unreal. We got a quadruple dip, guys, if you get 2 body washes and a lotion. Now, can you do this deal more than once? Yes. If you want to do it to PayPal another time, it has to be a different PayPal. It just has to be. I have a PayPal and my boyfriend has a PayPal, and that's really it. But that would be the most I could do it. Now, it also all depends on if the Aveeno resets on Ibotta as well. So it might not reset. You never know, but that's how you would be able to do the credit for PayPal again, is if it was, say, your boyfriend or husband's or wife's or girlfriend's PayPal. What if your register reward doesn't print? I will put a picture up here and you can screenshot it of that advertisement. I do believe I still have it on me. If not, I will put one up. So that way, when they ask for where's the advertisement, submit proof of that picture as proof that there is an actual promotion out there, because Catalina will just basically say there's no promotion, but that picture will show you proof, or show them proof, that there's that promotion. But thankfully, all my register rewards printed. So then for the next transaction, I did the Kimberly Clark promotion. I was gonna do New Leaf, but the New Leaf pull-ups, but the store doesn't carry them. So I made do with what I could do because I didn't want to go to another store. So with this transaction, I got St. Ives, I got the little Clorox wipes, I got U by Kotex, I got some big Huggies wipes, and then I got a water as a filler because I couldn't find the Dove candy. So with this transaction, I had a spend booster of spend 20, get 5, and a paper booster of spend 40, get 9. So I used that. I had a $2 and a $3 register reward that was expiring today that I used. I had a $3 coupon for the U by Kotex, and I had a $2 coupon for the wipes. So then that brought my total down to $31.36, but I used $5 in register rewards, so my total was $36.36. I got back $14 in Walgreens cash. I got back the $10 register reward from Kimberly Clark. Yee! I got back $3.37 on Fetch Rewards for the St. Ives body wash, and $4 on Swag Bucks for the Clorox. Now, mine went under review, but I've seen other people's not go under review, so it's just my luck that mine went under review. I have no doubt that I will get that. So then that brings that transaction down to $4.99, which isn't bad considering I got 2 big packages of those wipes. I got 2 boxes of pads, a box of tampons, and 2 body washes. I also got this really nice $4 Sierra Bay coupon that I would like to come back and do a Sierra Bay scenario, but this is a really nice $4 coupon for the wipes. So I will definitely take that. So I hope I explained everything well for the Aveeno promotion, but the link will be down below in the Google Doc for everything. And of course, the scenario and everything like that will be all typed out for you if you want to do it this way. So what was my total for both transactions? Well, it was all free and an $8.45 moneymaker. $8.45 moneymaker. I will definitely take that. I will definitely take that. And my CVS total yesterday was like $5 and some change. So I'm still ahead for the week. Super happy about that. And yeah, that is really all I have, guys. It's really all I have for today. I'm doing a Rite Aid, but I'm doing a Rite Aid separately because there's a big, good transaction that I want to do over there. But if you like Rite Aid, or you like just to watch my videos, I would appreciate the support over on that video. Rite Aid videos don't get very many views because Rite Aid isn't like national. It's a national chain, but it's not everywhere like Walgreens. So I would appreciate the support over there. But anyways, guys, that is really all I have for you today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.